Let's see.
Well, John, what's great about this is it's because your wife wanted Area 51, you settled for Oxford White. If you want to wrap it, you guys can wrap it later.
Where was this?
John Weidman.
That's the thing. And my buddy's white Bronco that you've seen going down the line, he's literally going to wrap it. Now, once again, I suggest this, giving your vehicle a good month of curing. Like I said, a lot of these are coming off the plant and they're to your dealer in 3 weeks. I wouldn't wax them right away or anything. I'm telling you. I am a fan of after you give it about 30 days. It's going to be expensive. We're talking $4,000, but we're probably going to paint protect our. We're going to use the paint protection film. You got to find a good shop that does it right too. But it's self-healing. We know what pinstripes look like on paint. Yeah, you can. It's a lot of work to buff them out, and a lot of times you can get them out. But knowing that I imagine we're going to have a couple Broncos over the next 10 years. So
Okay.
we want to keep it looking fresh as possible. So when we want to get rid of it, we're not going to be dinged too bad. But so I think that $4,000 or whatever it's going to end up costing, maybe cheaper, I don't know. I think you go, shit, that's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
But
it's like
but
10% of the vehicle almost.
you can wrap over it. You can ceramic coat this paint protection film. You can wax it. It's just like having some armor, clear coat armor on your vehicle. And I'm telling you, man, I was talking to oh gosh, I can't even think of his name at the moment. That I interviewed a couple weeks ago with his Badlands, and we were talking today. And you're gonna see some. Let me see if I got it on Instagram. You're gonna see some problems pop up with. Man, we gotta go way down. With scratches on these doors, and we're already seeing. Glockmaster was showing me some pictures of. And this is not the greatest photo, but it might. So this is at Celebration East, but you're gonna see all this. I don't know if it's gonna show up here. Yeah, there's my cursor. See all this spray, this mud spray, right through here. Well, it's a Sasquatch package, and I don't want to put mud flaps right there because I think for one they just look silly.
Yeah, people are already talking about scratches.
But you're going to see a lot of scratches right here, man. You're just sandblasting these doors. So that's one reason why paint protection film for me is pretty important.
I saw somebody that didn't even have the Sasquatch,
Mhm.
and they haven't done anything, and literally just driving down the road, and they have a scratch down to bare.
Yeah, probably a rock
Right
got in the
here.
tires and
There's
hit it.
actually like 2 different scratches, and they just took delivery of their vehicle like a week ago.
That nothing sucks like that. But I'm big on paint protection film. I know Ford's offering it. It's like right through the front slightly, and yeah.
So not full.
Yeah,
coverage.
it's right through here. What you get for like $200, $300, it's right through here, all through here, and that's it. Which is good spots. Trust me, you're gonna get road rash. But
Our Titan got crazy.
yes, the paint that any of these manufacturings, the paint is so thin now, and they're trying to do anything they can to make these things as light as possible for mileage. It's all about fuel economy. But if you guys look right there, see all that spray, you're sandblasting your doors. Nobody's really bringing this to attention, but these tires, it doesn't matter which package you get. There's a big gap from the fender and those wheels, and it's no matter what, you're going to start seeing it spray like that. But this was at our time at Celebration East, and that was a fun trip. Oh, here. Look at all the mud right there. This is perfect. This is the one that we did some off-roading in.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all the mud on the side of this thing.
Which is what it's built for.
Of course, these are off-road vehicles, so I don't say this going, man, you got to be showroom new at all times. But this is why I cannot say enough. Get paint protection film down the sides and the front of these things. If you don't do the back doors or the back of the vehicle, totally understandable. The sides of these things, I'm telling you, is the most important thing. You want to have that on there. If you plan on keeping this, some of these people that will own this are their lifetime vehicles. I'm going to own this thing till I die. I totally get it. I'm not with you because I need vehicles for review, but I totally get it. But think about that